Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're taking a look at some of the Chinese stocks listed in Hong Kong. Before I begin, remember take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as you're good help our channel. Without further ado, let's first start off with 1810 or XiaoMi Corporation. So you can see that XiaoMi is having a pretty nice wave pattern where we are creating a higher low here. So this was the low, this was the high, and then thereafter we are creating a higher high and also a higher low. And it seems to be trending back up once again. So this is currently a good sign for now. But after clearing the 61.8%, we also managed to hit the 78.6%. Both tested its resistance. Currently, we are looking at a very nice green candle for day during lunch. So the next target we're looking at is potentially 1252, which was the recent high here. So if we can push up towards 1252, that would be a good sign for XiaoMi 1810. That said, we're looking at two support levels. So the first support was in fact tested today at 1136 at this blue conversion line, which was also today's day low. And the next support, if we pull back lower, we're looking towards the $11 psychological support here. And in the event that we pull back further, we're looking actually in the upcoming days whether or not this resistance can turn into support in the event that this starting to pull back down. If we can turn this previous resistance into support, then potentially we may continue to climb up further towards $13 or even $14. So next up, let's take a look at 0941 or China Mobile. So for China Mobile, you can see that after this breaking this previous low, it seems that most people got stopped out here and very much like a bear trap where people start shorting the market. And we continue to see a rally back up. So for now, we are looking towards a pullback in this particular area here. You can see we pull back towards the blue conversion line and even the red baseline, but we did not break down further. So that is a sign of buyers are actually supporting the prices here. So from a recent high of 58.65 to a recent low of around 46.80, we are looking at a very critical resistance that we are being tested right now at 54.10 at the 61.8% psychological resistance, and also a very critical Fibonacci resistance at $34. Having said that, if we can go up further, we're looking towards 56 and potentially $58 for 0941. That said, we want to see that this previous resistance here turn into support on the way down before going back up once again. So, but we have to be careful of a fake breakout. So you can see that this was a previous high here and very much like a fake breakout, and there was some selling pressure before it pulled back down. So similarly, if this was a fake breakout compared to this, we may potentially see a pullback towards this blue conversion line and red baseline. So let's zoom in closely to see where are these blue conversion line and the red baseline. So as of now, we're looking towards a support at around $53 for the blue conversion line, while the red baseline isn't too far away. It's around $52 as well. So this is a very critical support that we have to hold for 0941. So moving on to Ping An. So 2318 seems to be having a very nice climb. And in fact, if you look closely, we only tested the blue conversion line, and we actually cleared on many occasions we broke down below the blue conversion line but still closed right above it. So this is a sign of buyers actually supporting the price. So we have also cleared the 61.8%. So this was a recent low of around $31 to a recent high of $69. So in the event that we can clear this 61.8%, we are likely to be heading towards a $60 psychological resistance and even testing the next Fibonacci support resistance at 61.25. So around $60, we're looking at some potential resistance, and it's also the psychological whole number resistance at $60. So this is a critical resistance to watch. If you can clear it, potentially 61.25. And even a long-term target of around 69.40 for Ping An or 2318. So looking at the two supports you're watching for, will be around $53 and $52 at this blue conversion line and red baseline in the event that we pull back down towards these two support levels. So this was a previous resistance, and hopefully this previous resistance here can turn into a support around $52, $51 on the way down if we see a pullback in upcoming days ahead before we can continue to climb back up. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again. Appreciate the manipulation.